Have you ever wanted your iPhone to have a unique name instead of the generic iPhone? Today, I'll show you how to easily change your device's name so you can recognize it right away, whether you're connecting through Bluetooth CarPlay or sharing the internet via Personal Hotspot. But before we begin, if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you'll always be updated when I post new tutorials. Now, let's see how it's done. First, find the Settings app on your iPhone and open it. Once you're in Settings, scroll down a bit and look for the General section. Tap on it. Keep in mind, here we're changing the device name, not the name at the very top that's linked to your Apple ID account. That's something different. When you're in General, choose the About option. Right at the top of the screen, you'll see the Name option. Tap on it. If you've never changed your device's name before, it will usually just say iPhone. Here, you can delete the existing one and type in whatever you want. In this example, I'll name it Smart Assistant. Once you do that, just tap Done, and that's it. Now, every time you connect your iPhone via Bluetooth, CarPlay, or Personal Hotspot, the device will appear under this new name you've set. That's basically the name other people will see when they connect to your iPhone. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you very soon.